whoa, slow down there, Speed Racer.
I know what it entails, and I'm ready to nail it. I want it. Okay.
Woo! Yo.
Hey, D-Man.
Just tell him what's up.
I sure did.
Hey.
What's up?
Woo! So, you might ask yourself, what happened to Frida? All right, back with another one, guys. So, yeah, we just getting it done and just chilling, hanging out. But yeah, I just can't. It's always something, man. It's always something that happens with these cars. I'm gonna tell you. You know, it's always something. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. Let's turn the energy up a little bit. Welcome to the Chucky Built channel, where we build rad stuff. And you know, we're basically a fusion of like Hyundais and BMWs, you know, E46s and stuff like that. And we like, you know, but if you like that kind of car content, and we're more of the working on cars, more of the hands-on type of people, you know.
Catalina wine mixer.
I'm ready. I'm walking tall.
So, you know, you're gonna see more of us changing parts out and adding custom stuff. Oh shit, built by Queen.
That's me.
Oh, getting it done. Getting it done. No excuses. Oh, put in the work. Oh. Oh. You know, making it look cool and just having fun with the cars, man. And that's what it's all about. And I feel like that's, you know, been missing a lot with a lot of these newer cars, because they don't have personality like that, you know. But yeah, let's get into the video. Yeah, guys, so like I said, we're a you know, we do BMWs, Hyundais, we do all kind of stuff, guys, you know. But yeah, so we finally got rolls out, we got the wheels done, and looks pretty good. I mean, so there's 17 inch wheels, 17 by I believe 7. There's stock Santa Fe wheels, but just off a newer Santa Fe. Not sure what year. You can leave in the comments if you know what year these are. And yeah, I mean, we didn't do anything to these like we usually do. Rose is an OEM plus build, so we just upgrading it with OEM Hyundai parts. And yeah, I mean, it rides good. These are good tires, Supermax. See the size on these babies. Alrighty. So, to those, if you got a Santa Fe and you want to run a similar setup, 235 60 17, and the 235 gives you more of a contact patch, and you know, it makes your ride that much better. But look, it's Queen. Look, guys. Oh, look at her bag.
I'm back.
Look at her bag. So what was this?
Brown sugar babe.
All right. So we're gonna leave that in the comments. You know what I'm saying? If anybody was at the, wow, she got
Brown
the goods.
sugar babe soiree.
Wow, she got the goods.
Don't ask.
Don't ask. I won't ask. So, you know, on that note, we out to the next location. All right, guys, just like that, we out in PA. Made our pickup. Came out to pick up something, and now we're gonna check out this Shady Maple Smorgasbord. Let's see what that's about. First, we gotta find Queen. We left her to get online. But if you made it this far in the video, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, hit a like, and let us know you rock with the campaign, man. All right, let's go. This place is huge. Oh yeah, that's the line, guys. So he's saying the line is about 30 minutes, but it's all good. It's all good. We out here for the experience. Hey, your store downstairs, it's fire. It's packed, man. Packed. We outside. You already know. Man. Some happy feet. It's them buffet feet right here. All right, let's see what we got. Make a quick video. Let's see, Queen's ready. Look, she's focused. She's locked in.
I'm ready.
She's ready to go. I'm gonna give you all a quick load, and I'm doing my thing. That's it. All right, always eat your vegetables. Broccoli. Broccoli. Brussels sprouts are always fire. Oh, look at those corn nuggets. Need those. Take two. I'm going cream on. See what we got down here. Chicken tenders, truffle. Guys, this is the best roast beef ever. I gotta get a little more. I had some before. Onion petals. It's like a blooming onion. You're just mixing up. Just mixing a little this, a little of that. What about it? The plate's looking good. This is round two. Wow. Oh yeah. One of those. All right, let's take this back. So much stuff. Catfish. Wow. Don't laugh at my sausage rolling on my plate. You know, I give it up. No problem. Hi, how you doing? You have brisket?
Brisket here on the side.
Thank you.
No.
Oh, that looks good. Thank you. That's perfect. Thank you. Gotta have the all jewelry. Gotta have it all jewelry. Alright, let's go back over here. Looking good. Got a couple wings. Salmon's over there. Right, got me a water. Mind you, this is, I only went to two little middle booth things. This is only two. There's a million of them. But yeah, that's all y'all gonna get. Click like, subscribe. And I'm gonna sign out from here. I'm about to eat, enjoy my day. So till next time, peace, love.